So good morning dear cadets. So as you know, we are in the electric currents and its effect. So everything about the electric current we have discussed. What is electric currents, how electric current flows through the wires, what kind of circuits are there, open circuit, closed circuit, symbols and so many things, circuit diagram, everything we have discussed. Now there are two effects which are produced by the electric current when it flows through the wires. So the first effect is known as heating effect of electric currents. What is that one? Heating effect of electric currents. Okay, so just try to understand. In our daily life there are so many appliances we are using, like electric press, okay, iron box, then fridge, then what is there, bulb, okay, we are using or not, mobiles, okay, we are using. These are electronics or electrical devices. So just try to understand, whenever, just see, if electric press is work for means you on the switch and within 1 minute 2 minutes it become hot. Why it become hot? Because inside the iron box what is there? Circuit is there, and when electric current flows through that, so it produces heat. Because of that heat only iron box become hot. If fridge works for more period of time, that also become hot. Why? Because of the flow of electric current. What is there? Their electrical circuit which is there, that also become hot. Am I correct or not? Another application, just try to understand, electric bulb. Electric bulb, just see, when you on the switch, immediately if you touch, then it is cool only, but after working half an hour or 1 hour, if you again you will touch, then you will be unable to touch it for 1 minute 2 minutes, because intense heat is produced. So all these examples which I have given you, they belongs to here only, that is the heating effect of electric currents. So what is the meaning of heating effect of electric currents? Heating of wire when an electric current passes through it. This effect is known as heating effect of electric current. You can write in this way also, heating of electric circuit when an electric current passes through it. Both are correct only. So just see, when the electric current passes through wires, then what is there? Heat is produced, and because of that heat only electrical appliances become hot. Okay, am I correct or not? So applications means appliances and heating effect applications will discuss in the extra marks. There is no problem, but there are certain issues. Just try to understand. Nowadays there is one word which is very much used, okay, and we are very much familiar, that is CFLS. CFLS. What is the meaning of this one? Compact fluorescent lamps, okay. CFL bulbs, it is believed that they minimize the wastage of electric current, okay. So CFL bulb is safe for the use, okay. So these are special kinds of bulb and they can fit to the ordinary holders, okay, and they will minimize the wastage of electricity, okay. They do not become hot even if you operate them for long period of time. So reduce the wastage of electricity. That is why it is advised to use CFLS bulb. Next one is ISI. What is this one? Indian Standard Institute. Indian Standard Institute, ISI. So ISI mark is always seen on the newly purchased items. So actually this is the institute. This is quality standard judging institute. This mark ensures that the appliances is safe and wastage of energy is minimum. So without ISI mark things we should not purchase, because they are ensuring the quality of the product. They are ensuring the quality of the product. So these are the things which are given in the box of NCERT book. That is why I have told our basic topic is heating effect of electric current. Okay, so what is the heating effect of electric current? What are the applications of heating effect of electric current? Don't think that heating effect of electric current is always unuseful for us. Sometime it is useful for us. Just try to understand. Iron box, it is useful for pressing our clothes. Am I correct? Ironing our clothes. Some places it is having disadvantage also. Like, see, suppose if ordinary bulb you have taken, and if you are supplying the electricity for long period of time, so their filament may become very hot and that may be disintegrated. Okay, so some advantages, some disadvantages are there. We'll discuss all those advantages and disadvantages with the help of animation. Right now, just you note down all these things. Okay.
The various applications of heating effects of electric current. Let us study about heating effect of electric current. Whenever a current is passed through a conductor, it becomes hot after some time. This shows that electrical energy is being converted into heat energy. Battery is one of the sources of electrical energy. The energy supplied by the battery can be used to run electric appliances such as to run the electric fan or to glow the electric bulb. The chemical reaction that goes within the battery generates the potential difference between its two terminals. This potential difference sets the electrons in motion, due to which current flows through the resistor connected to the battery. To maintain the flow of current in the circuit, the source has to keep supplying its energy. Can you think, where does this energy go? To maintain the value of flow of current in the circuit, the part of the electrical energy is consumed into some useful work, such as to glow the bulb, and the remaining energy may be utilized in generating heat in the gadget. This generation of heat is due to collision of electrons with the ions. The greater the number of electrons flowing per second, the greater will be the number of collisions. If the electric circuit is purely resistive, the energy continuously gets dissipated in the form of heat only. This is known as heating effect of electric current. The current through the resistor is actually the flow of negative charges, which are called electrons. Inside the battery, these electrons flow from positive terminal to negative terminal. The work done by the battery in moving the charge through a potential difference is VQ. Hence, the source must supply energy equal to VQ in time t. This increased energy gets converted to heat in the resistor. So the energy appearing as heat is given by H is equal to VQ. The charge that passes through the resistor resistor in time t is Q is equal to IT. Finally, the heat produced in the resistor in time t is given by H is equal to I square RT.
So dear cadets, just try to understand in that animation they have taught so many advanced things. That much is not required. Just you will study all those things in the higher class. Just remember, whenever electric current passes through a wire, so electrical energy gets converted into heat energy, okay, and because of the conversion of electrical energy into heat energy, heat is produced, okay. That is why our electrical appliances become hot after operating for a long period of time. Now let us move to the some practical application of heating effect of electric currents. So already I have discussed all these things. You just see this one once again with the help of one animation.
Heating effect of electric current has several applications such as incandescent bulb, room heater, electric iron, oven, etc. These applications are based on Joule's heating. Let us discuss two common applications of Joule's heating. An incandescent light bulb has a simple structure. It consists of a sealed glass chamber. Inside this chamber, there is a filament made up of a metal which has a high melting point, such as tungsten, the melting point of which goes up to 3380 degrees Celsius. The sealed glass bulb is filled with chemically inactive nitrogen or argon gas, which prolongs the life of the filament. The filament is connected to two electrical contacts. The maximum power consumed by the filament appears in the form of heat, and the rest gets radiated as light. Now let's study the second application of heating effect of electric current, namely an electric fuse. An electric fuse is a safety device which protects electric circuits and electrical appliances. Different types of electric fuses with different ratings are available. A plug fuse is commonly used in main house wiring system. It consists of three main components: a piece of metallic wire of low melting point with high resistivity, a porcelain casing and a porcelain grip. The metallic wire is fixed in porcelain grip having two electrical contacts. This porcelain grip is plugged inside the porcelain casing. The electric fuse is always connected to the live wire in series with an appliance or a group of appliances. If the current through the appliance or the group of appliances exceeds the safe limit due to short circuit or overloading, then the heat generated in the fuse wire instantly melts it. This breaks the circuit and saves the appliances from getting damaged.
So dear cadets, I hope that you have got both the animation. In the second animation, they have discussed about the safety devices, okay, miniature circuit breaker, MCB. So all these things I will discuss today. Now in the heating effect of electric current, just you add one more point. Electric current produces heating effect because electrical energy gets converted into heat energy when electric current passes through a wire, Okay, no problem at all. So in today's discussion, just you remember one question only and note down that question. What do you mean by heating effect of electric current? One question. What do you mean by heating effect of electric current? Heating effect of electric current. Okay, heating effect of electric current. Remaining thing and remaining question will discuss tomorrow. So the duration of today's video is over. Thank you.